video, what you'll find about the new iPhone 14 will blow your mind. Every year, Apple as a company has made the whole world lose confidence. They have caused a struggle between confidence and class, and they have created a mindset that differentiates wealthy people from the crowd. But even with this, Apple still gets customers, not just common customers, but die-hard fans. But people keep asking, is Apple a computer company with MacBook, or an electronics company with the invention of AirPods and iWatches, or a smartphone company with iPhones or iPads? Well, all these expressions are what they do. But Apple does not identify itself with what they do. They don't want to focus only on the what, so they started with the why. Back then in the early 20s, Apple began a campaign to communicate the why of the company, and they tagged it Think Different, a call to challenge the norm, to become an innovator, and to create something unique with a touch of class. In 2007, Apple launched the first iPhone, and since then, they have released improved versions of this phone. They weren't the first phone company in the world, but they have influenced the industry, their target audience, and the whole wide world at large, because they started with the why and consistently communicated and delivered on this why. Today, the whole world is talking about the launch of the iPhone 14 series. It is causing stir on social media and even the whole world. Well, billions of people can identify with this why, but what's so special about the iPhone 14 series? What? There is no magic here. It is just a proper definition and delivery of a brand's why. That is what Apple did, and they took the word by storm. People don't buy what you do. What they care about is why you do it. Just like Apple, you too can take the word by storm. With a clear strategy, proper communication, and the delivery of your brand's why. Indeed, proper and strong branding is king. Get branded at Bradital.com.